Hello everyone, Joe back again with Sound Dent Solutions and Owen Sound. Today we're going to be working on a Toyota Rav-4. This vehicle has quite a bit of damage on the right front door. Initially the customer thought when they brought it in that it had a small dent down at the bottom. But once we got it in, got it cleaned up and got our lights on it, you could actually see the damage extends across the whole front door of this vehicle. Still, it's going to be no problem for us with paintless dent repair on this. Hope this answers any questions you may have on our service. Sit back and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Alright everybody, here we have a look at the damage on this Toyota RAV4 front door. There's the initial impact point down there at the bottom, which actually sent quite a bit of damage, secondary damage throughout the entire door skin on this. You can see where it wrapped around the crash beam on the inside, and just quite a bit more than what the customer initially thought. But as you can see under our LED lighting, it affected the whole panel. We're going to be going in through this existing rust-proofing hole. The customer just had it rust-proofed actually before they brought it over, which actually gives us a great access point. We're going to insert a metal rod in through that hole and just work it slowly from the back side. And then also, as you can see, we use different knockdowns and blending hammers from the front side, just working the metal back and forth until it comes out 100% flat. Now working towards the rear section of the door, same thing. It's nice on a repair of this size to kind of break it up into sections, easier on the body, and makes for a nicer repair in the end. Here we move on to the crown up at the front of the door. This is all done with special polished hammers, knocking it down and blending it out, and it kind of melts away as you work on it. And here we have a look at the final results. As you can see, it came out absolutely fantastic. Customer was ecstatic with this and happy to have the repair done in one day, and knowing they didn't have to do any kind of repainting or replacing of any parts. If you have damage on your vehicle or just require more information on this service, you can look us up online at sounddentsolutions.com or give us a call at 519-270-5705. Thanks for watching everybody. We'll see you on the next one.